Hello everyone. In today's video, we shall check what is TPIN and how to generate TPIN. TPIN is nothing but a 4-digit unique identification number which is used to verify the authenticity of customers to allow instant access to call and trade facility. Now, when you call us from a registered number for placing order, you simply need to follow 3 simple steps. You need to dial our phone number which is available on the screen. Select 3 for call and trade, after which you need to enter TPIN followed by hash, and then you can get connected to our dealers. Now, let us check how to change TPIN or generate a new TPIN. To change and reset TPIN, you need to log in back office. Now, you can log in any of our trading applications such as Sign Mobile application or TradeSmart application. Go to the menu and click on back office box. You shall be redirected to the box dashboard window. Alternate login for box would be to use Google Chrome browser, enter the link as box.tradesmartonline.in, after which you simply need to enter your login credentials and then you can change or reset your TPIN. Now let us check how to do this. You need to tap on the icon which is available on top hand side. Click on the settings option and select TPIN. Now here you can change your TPIN, for which you need to enter your old TPIN and then create a new TPIN. You simply need to click on the submit option. Once you click on the submit option, your TPIN will be changed. Now to reset TPIN, you need to tap on the reset TPIN option and enter the OTP which will be sent on a registered mobile number, and then you can generate a new TPIN. Once you click on the submit option, your TPIN shall get reset successfully, and after which you can use the call and trade facility. Thank you.